Okay, for example, number 3, the given are slope, which is 3, and a point with a coordinate -4 and 2. For the first step, step number 1, we will use the point slope formula. This is the point slope formula. Because the given has a slope and a point. So we have to use this. We call this point slope formula. Let us substitute the given. Y minus, y here is, this is x sub 1 and y sub 1. So y sub 1 is 2. The slope is 3. X minus x sub 1 is -4. So we have now y minus 2 equals 3x plus 4. Y minus 2, distribute 3x, distribute 12. Multiply 3 times 4 is 12. Then, we need to arrive to a y form, to slope intercept form. So that y will be left here, 3x plus 12 plus 2. So you have y equals 3x plus 14. Okay? 14. So that the slope here is 3, but b is 14. 14, which is the y-intercept. The y-intercept can be written as 0 and 14. Just like what we have here. This is the y-intercept, this is the x-intercept. This point passes the x-axis, this point passes the y-axis. So now what are we going to do? We look for the x-intercept by step 2. Where? Dito. In here. Let x equals 0. Let y equals 0 so we can find the x-intercept. Excuse me. So copying this equation, y equals 3x plus 14. So we have y is 0 equals 3x plus 14. Then we have transpose -3x equals 14. Then we have -3x over -3. 14 over -3. So we have x equals 14 divided by -3 is somewhat -4. Something. Okay, it's about -4. So let us round that off to -4 so that the y-axis and the y-intercept and the x-intercept should be -4 and 0. So let's plot this one. So this point and this point, this point and this point. But we have too big y. Let's approximate. 0 and x is 0 and y is 14. So somewhere there. Diba? Okay, let's label this as point F, point G. Point F should be 0 and 14, somewhere here. So we have f and 0 and 14. For g, we have negative 4. X is negative 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 0. So it's here. G, negative 4 and 0. So it's X intercept, it's Y intercept. Then we can connect. What do you think would be the direction of the line of the linear equation? It is going up, meaning the slope is positive. It's increasing from left to right, then the slope is positive. Okay, do you know now how to graph linear equations in two variables? So you need at least 2 points to graph the linear equations in two variables. So you find the x-intercept and the y-intercept. If the given is a slope and a point, you first use the point slope formula to be able to find the y-intercept. After finding the y-intercept, you arrive at here. You can look for the x-intercept by substituting y equals 0 or equating y to 0. Then you will get the x-intercept, then you are ready to graph it. At least 2 points, you can graph the linear equation in two variables. Questions? Okay, I'll give you time to copy. Copy carefully, including the graph. Take your time. Are you done copying all the examples? I think you are ready to try the 4 items here. Okay? You are going to convert from standard form to slope-intercept form. If the given is standard, so you convert to slope form, slope-intercept form. But if the given here is in slope-intercept form, you convert to standard form. So you identify first the linear equation or the form of the linear equation before converting. Okay? I'll copy this first in your notebook. Provide space in your notebook for the solution and answer. Okay, good luck.